Hello. Okay, so I was messing around with my sister and I got this idea. She said something about Peeps and I'm like, ooh, microwave. Peeps, fun. So I got this regular pack of Peeps. See, Peeps. Paper plates. Got one Peep out. Put the Peep on the paper plate. Ah! Now we're gonna put the Peep in the microwave for approximately however long you want, but I wouldn't say too long because then it'll go. So let's just put it in 30 seconds. Let's see how it works. Fluffy. Look at it. Look at it. It's gonna blow up.
We have to clean up all this. Ow!
How much longer? Now let's see. Notice the Peep now. It's all disintegrated and domesticated and foamed.
Fluffy wants that. Nom 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 nom.
Mwah.
Nom 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 nom.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
You want to go, Fluffy?
so, that was a Peep. Adios.